This is Plus Joli Fille on the south shore of Superior, headed east, trying to get home. What a perfect day to sail. We got a west wind, got my little whisker pole out there. We are flying. 5 knots, feels like nothing. We just left Big Bay and we're headed toward Pictured Rock or Grand Island. Gonna try and anchor from now on. I spent a little bit more money than I'm used to over in Big Bay. 31 bucks to sit there for 12 hours just seems a little steep, so it's gonna be anchoring from here on in, I think, until I get to maybe Rock Island. Then I'm gonna have to spend a night. Oh, we got a fish? No. Yeah, I decided, screw it, I'm fishing. You know, I have a fishing license, but it says Wisconsin on it. And it occurred to me, since I never catch fish, you know what? If I have to pay a $100 ticket, it's probably cheaper than I would have had to pay to get a fishing license in every state I've been in and country. So be it. This is Plus Joli Fille. Another perfect day to sail on Superior. Makes everything worthwhile. Signing off.